Hey guys, welcome to today's video on sharpening lathe tools. Now, during my last Instagram live, people saw this jig setup in my shop and asked what it was. I thought it'd be a good idea to do a quick video to show you how easy it is to sharpen your lathe tools so you can get into wood turning, because it's really fun, it's really addictive, but a lot of people are intimidated by the process of sharpening the lathe tools. So all you need is a normal bench grinder and this jig right here. It's called the Wolverine Jig, and I'm going to put a link below so you can see where I got it. And it's 89 bucks, and it's worth every penny. It's well made, and it really makes the whole process not only simple, but it makes your angle consistent every single time. No worries, and just like that, you're going to have your tools sharpened and you're going to be back to turning. So I'm going to adjust the camera so you can get a better look at how the process is done, and we're going to sharpen some tools. So stay tuned. Now I've got the camera adjusted so you can get a better angle and up close look. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a Sharpie and you're going to take your tool and you're going to color in the bevel that you already have. And what this does is it's going to help you line up on the grinder the correct angle. So at first you're going to set it in the jig and you're going to eyeball it, okay? And then you're going to turn the grinder on and then turn it off quick and see how much of the Sharpie it's taking off to judge how close your setup is. And it's going to help let you know, depending on where it takes it off, if you need to adjust this in or out just a tad. So let's see how close we are here. Turn it off. Okay, so I'm not sure how much you can see right here, but I'm pretty close. I've almost got a full length taken off. I could come back just a tad on it. Just adjust the handle. I'm going to come out just a tad. Lock it down, start turning. So you rest in the tool the same way, and all you're going to do is rotate. Really, really easy. It's a little V groove back here. Just rotate. Nice and easy. And that's it. The Sharpie's gone, and I have a nice burr and a nice clean edge, and I can get right back to sharpening right now. Here's another gouge that I have. As you can see, it's a lot bigger, and it's the same process. So just going to take the Sharpie, and you're going to color in the bevel. Okay, and then you're going to line it up. Just the handle is a lot bigger, so we're going to come out. Okay, that looks pretty decent there. See how close we came? Maybe just a little bit more. Okay, let's try that. Almost there. Just a little bit more. All right. See how we're doing here. Much better. Okay? And all you're going to do is just back to rotate. And that's it. Just like that, I've got 2 gouges sharpened and ready to hit the lathe. So thanks a lot for tuning into this video. As you can see, it's a real simple process. Hopefully you guys try it out. Leave a comment below, and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot.